Hey guys, so this week I challenged myself to make $100 from scratch on TikTok, okay? Now we massively surpassed that goal and I'm very surprised, like this worked a lot better than I thought. We got there faster than GameStonk went to the moon, and you know, it just opens my eyes to the massive opportunity there is on TikTok, still is at the moment. So let's get into the challenge. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so everybody knows it's easy to grow on TikTok and get some followers, okay? It's not that hard. Now, I'm challenging myself this week to make $100 on the platform, okay? Starting from scratch. Now, I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm probably gonna have a look, see what's getting views, what I can relate to, like passion-wise, what I'm passionate about, and what I can make videos on and get some views to. And then, you know, maybe monetize it with like a Shopify drop shipping store or some affiliate marketing, something like that. That's the plan. Let's get stuck into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so basically I've been looking at some TikToks, and you know, what's really piquing my interest is these finance videos. They're actually quite popular on TikTok, and you know, I love talking about finance as much as I like making money. So I've decided to go with finance. The other things that are popular are like, you know, the shuffle tutorials, but I don't like my chances at doing those. So, and they're a bit harder to monetize than finance. So we're gonna stick with finance. We're gonna make some finance videos. We're gonna try and get some followers up, get some interesting ideas going, and let's see, let's make our first TikTok. So literally I'm looking at a couple of different finance channels, you know, Graham Stephan, Ryan, Panini, a couple of others. Now, it seems to be that the videos that get the most amount of views are kind of like, you know, like top 5 stocks, or like free money here, or this, that, like they seem to really pop off. So that gives me some good ideas of what I'm gonna do. Like, let's just get into it. Let's try and make something and see how it goes. Alright guys, look at the screen right now. I'm buying $100 into every single one of the most risky cryptocurrencies I can find. Okay guys, so basically what I did was, I'm actually planning on doing an upcoming video where I buy 10 of the most risky cryptocurrencies and just see how they go. And so I used that and shortened it down into like a little quick sneak peek for TikTok. So it's called the 10 most risky, I invested in the 10 most risky cryptocurrencies, and then I uploaded it. So you got a bit of a sneak peek of that video there off of TikTok. And you know, it actually did very, very well. Like considering I had no other videos on my channel, this is the first one I uploaded. It got quite a fair few views, you know, it got like a couple hundred views, and then it got to like 1,000 views. So I'm really, really happy with how it's going. Like that's, if you uploaded something like that to YouTube, you would get nothing. Like TikTok has so much reach for people who just don't have any followers or any like starting. Your reach is just amazing. So let's continue. Let's get some more ideas flowing. Let's continue. Let's get some followers happening. Let's get some more videos up. Are you sick of those annoying knockers that have not discovered internet marketing yet, that are trying to sell you pest control, $190 for an entire house? Well, I'm going to show you what to do when they knock on your door. So what you want to do is make a Facebook marketplace listing. Now, for whatever service they're offering, you want to make your price a little bit higher. So he was offering pest control for the entire house for $190. Okay guys, so that's another sneak peek of that little TikTok that I made. That was the second one. Now that was simply like a sort of a drop shipping of services TikTok, but explained in like a short 60-second video. Now, that's also done quite well. You know, I'm getting followers, you know, I'm getting followers faster than Tesla stock's going up. Not quite that fast, but we have got about, you know, almost 100 followers out of 2 videos. The first video is actually blowing up. It's got like 4,000 views, so I'm really happy with that. I'm gonna keep pumping out these videos, and let's see how we go. Let's keep pumping them out, get these followers rolling, and then we're gonna work out how we're gonna monetize them. Okay guys, so we've had some other crazy ideas for TikTok and all kinds of weird and wonderful money making schemes. Some are a little bit dodgy. I've uploaded a fair few videos now, and I seem to be getting over 1,000 views on every single video, okay? Without fail. And we've only got like 300 followers at this point. So I'm really happy with how things are going. You don't even need followers like on TikTok. Like you literally, the videos just blow up. A couple of them have like almost 5,000 views. I mean, this is insane. People are right. It's so easy to grow on TikTok. It really is. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and figure out a way to monetize a video, okay? So I was thinking a dropshipping store originally, but there's not much you can dropship in the finance niche. So what I'm gonna do is a little bit of affiliate marketing, okay? Now you've probably heard of other YouTubers promoting the Weeble, the stock for stock. Like you sign up with my referral code and you get a free stock, then I get a free stock. Like we don't have Weeble over here in Australia, okay? But we do have an app called Stake. Okay, Stake lets us trade US stocks, okay, and it does have a referral program where if I refer a friend, then they get a free stock and I get a free stock, okay? So we're gonna try and monetize it with that. We're gonna have a catchy title saying like, free money if you live in Australia, like, because they seem to get a lot of views and my audience is actually mostly from Australia. So I think this video might do okay. Hopefully we get 1 or 2 stocks and we're on our way to the $100 mark. Okay guys, so we made the video, okay? It turned out pretty well. I'm gonna play it for you now. Let's have a look. Hey guys, do you live in Australia and do you want free money? It's this easy, okay? Download the app Stake. It allows you to trade stocks in the US from Australia. So you can trade Tesla, Amazon, Apple, all those awesome stocks. Okay, once you download it, use my code, okay? You need to use my code. There it is, Mark J744. Okay, use that code when you create your account and you'll get a free stock. Okay, you could get Nike, you could get Dropbox, or you could get GoPro. Okay, Nike's worth like 180 Australian dollars, Dropbox is worth like 35 Australian dollars, and GoPro is about 13, 14 Australian dollars. Okay, so let's have a look. I signed up for my account, spun my wheel. Which free stock am I gonna get? Okay, oh, GoPro. Damn, I got Dropbox last time, okay guys, but you need to deposit $50 and then you get a free stock, but you can transfer that 50 straight back in. Okay guys, so that's the video. We're gonna post it and you know, fingers crossed we wake up in the morning and you know, I'm in the title of one of Graham Stephan's videos because I've gone from 0 to $1 billion in the next overnight on TikTok. We will see. Let's hope for the best. I'm expecting maybe 1 or 2 stocks out of this, but you know, could go either way. But we're not gonna give up, we're gonna keep going, even if this doesn't work, and we're gonna just slowly make our $100. We're early in the week, so let's get it. Guys, you're not gonna believe the result, okay? Let's just say I was spinning that little wheel all night long. Now, first of all, let me say this did I think this is a bit lucky, okay? This did so much better than I thought. If we just go in and have a look, like, firstly, I'll show you the TikTok. It got 369 likes, 25 comments, like, it blew up. It's got like 6,000 views, okay? It blew up. Now, if we go into my Stake app, okay, guys, this is insane. Let's go into the free stock promotion thing. Okay, this is where you refer a friend. So if you do actually live in Australia and you do want a free stock, use my referral code because then you'll get a free stock and you can trade US, you know, like you can trade Apple, Tesla and all those fun stocks from Australia. So if you are in Australia and you're watching this video, use my referral code MarkJ744. Okay, now I posted that on TikTok and wow, it blew up. Okay, so these are all the free stocks that I got and I've claimed. So there is like 25 free stocks that I got off that one video, okay? Now, all these other ones here, there's about 70 others that use my referral code, but they haven't funded their account yet, okay? You need to fund your account with $50 and you can transfer that back out afterwards, after the funds settle and you wait a week or 2, but you can transfer it straight back out. Now, 70 people haven't funded yet, but 25 have, and we got 25 free stocks. Okay, most of them have been GoPro, which is about, I think, $11 or $12 Australian, and Dropbox, which is about $30 Australian. So in total, we got about $300 off one TikTok video. I can't believe it. Like, we majorly surpassed the goal of hitting $100 off that one video. I was expecting maybe one. No, I wasn't even expecting one stock, to be honest. I was thinking maybe one. I was hopeful for one, but my hopes weren't high, okay? And we just blew that out of the park, you know? Honestly, I thought TikTok was easy to grow on, but it also has an amazing conversion rate. It's like YouTube. Like, it's awesome, okay? Now, we surpassed our goal, so I'm ending the challenge here. You know, I might do another video later where we see how much more money I can make on TikTok, but we've hit the challenge for the week. I can't believe it. Hopefully, I wake up in a couple more days and it goes up even higher. The rest of, those people have funded their accounts and I get even more money. But we've smashed the goal, $300 off one TikTok video. A couple of videos before then, it wasn't even the followers that got it, that I built up before. It was organic reach from that one video, okay, and it absolutely killed it. All right. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This challenge has been very exciting. It's opened my mind to TikTok. TikTok is phenomenal. It's a massive opportunity. Get your asses on TikTok. If you could have any advice from me, that would be it. Get your asses on TikTok if you want to grow some kind of business. It's the easiest place to do it, okay? Those TikToks take me 2 minutes to do, maybe 5 minutes, including thinking of the ideas. But they're very, very easy, all right? Jump on TikTok now. It's the biggest opportunity out there, in my opinion. So guys, if you want to check out the TikToks I actually posted before I finally monetized one of the TikToks, head over to my new TikTok account. I'm going to continue posting on there. Follow along with the journey. And yeah, at Marketing Johnson. Thanks for watching.